Did you know there's one powerful vitamin that can naturally improve your vision and protect your eyes for life? If you struggle with dry eyes, night blindness, or blurry vision, your body might be lacking this essential nutrient. The #1 vitamin for better eyesight is vitamin A. It plays a crucial role in keeping your retina healthy and helps prevent serious conditions like night blindness and cataracts. Without enough vitamin A, your vision can suffer, especially in low light. Let's talk about the best foods rich in vitamin A. Animal sources contain active vitamin A, which your body absorbs easily. These include beef liver, eggs, and dairy products like cheese and butter. But if you prefer plant-based foods, don't worry. Your body can convert beta-carotene into vitamin A from foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, mangoes, and bell peppers. Adding these foods to your diet daily can make a huge difference in your vision. Here's a pro tip. Eat vitamin A-rich foods with healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, or nuts. This helps your body absorb the vitamin much more effectively. Including these foods in your daily meals can help sharpen your vision and protect your eyes for years to come.